Hello everyone, this is Prasad. Today I'm going to talk about a very common use case that we face during SharePoint development using PowerApps. In this use case, users from different countries submits their procurement request which should be only displayed to users from the same country. So we created folders for each country within our SharePoint list and set permissions using AD groups. Now, next task is to create or save a list item into those folders from PowerApps. PowerApps does not provide this capability out of the box. List item is saved into root folder or root location of the list. So in this video, we will put together a solution using PowerApps and Power Automate to save this list item within a folder into a SharePoint list. Let's begin. Okay, so I have here my Power App for procurement and I have four fields here: title, procurement amount, details of procurement, and region, and a save click. When I click save click, it is right now saving an item within the standard root location of my list. In my list, I also have two folders, Japan and Korea. Okay, on the other hand, I have a procurement Power Automate flow, which is right now triggered using a manual trigger. And then I'm calling a HTTP request to SharePoint, where I'm saving a list item within a folder. Here is how you can save the list item within a folder. You have to pass this Rust body where it's a list item create info object, and then you provide folder path here. So decoded URL is your URL of the SharePoint site and then SharePoint list and the folder where you want to save it. And then you supply a collection of form values. In this example, I'm saving title, then procurement amount, details of procurement, and a region. So right now I've hard coded this and this flow is working absolutely fine right now. So now next task is to connect our Power Apps to Power Automate. So first we'll go to our Power Automate flow and remove this trigger. And then let's add Power Apps trigger here. Okay, I have Power Apps trigger now. Let's add inputs here. So first input is title. Second input is procurement amount. So I'm going to select number and I'm going to say amount. Third input is description. So it should be a text. And fourth input is region, and I'm going to again select text here. Okay, so I have four different parameters coming from Power Apps. Let's go to send HTTP request to SharePoint action and change the field values which were hard coded earlier and select dynamic values here. So I'm going to select title and then amount, description, and region. Okay, let's save our flow. Okay, so flow is ready. Let's go to Power Apps here. And now on click of this save button, we should call our Power Automate flow. Now, as I clicked on Power Automate, Power Apps already detected that there exists a procurement flow which is with Power Apps trigger. So let's select this flow here. It's adding right now. Okay, so I've added this flow and it says procurement.run. In the bracket, it's expecting these parameters. So let's supply these parameters. Data card value 1 dot text, and then data card value 2 dot text, then data card value 3 dot text, data card value 4 dot selected dot value. Okay, so this is going to trigger our Power Automate flow. Let's test. Okay, so I'm supplying a title. This is a taste from PowerApps. Let's say 78888. Details of procurement, testing, and then region. Let us select Korea. Click Save. Yeah, so as we can see here, a list item is created. Then we have a procurement amount, details, and region. So this is how we can trigger a flow from Power Apps and then pass parameters and then save the data into any folder within SharePoint list. Thank you. Thank you for watching.